Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by reserving a dedicated SSD partition and enabling caching. Formatted NTFS or XFAT, then create a fixed-size cache file between 4 and 32 GB so the system treats it predictably. Once done, enable Ready Boost in Windows or configure a swap file on Linux and set swappiness appropriately. You do this because SSD access latency and throughput differ from RAM. Dedicated cache files reduce fragmentation and ensure consistent response times. Make sure to leave 15% free to avoid wear spikes. You now configure the operating system to prefer the SSD for virtual memory by placing the page file or swap file there and fixing its size. On Windows, set min and max equal to prevent fragmentation. On Linux, create the swap file, set permissions, run mkswap and swapon, then lower swappiness to favor RAM but allow SSD overflow. Once done, verify with monitoring tools so you see page-in/page-out patterns. You do this because controlled SSD-backed swap reduces latency spikes and extends SSD life versus uncontrolled swapping. You finish by validating performance and protecting the SSD. Monitor I/O patterns, latency, and smart health. Enable trim and lower background right so the drive isn't worn by constant swapping. Once done, tune your swappiness or page file sizes based on observed behavior and schedule heavy jobs when thermal conditions are optimal. If performance degrades or latency spikes persist, revert the page file temporarily, update SSD firmware, and consider adding RAM. The SSD as RAM approach helps shortfalls but cannot truly replace physical memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.